Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today's video is gonna be a day in the life vlog. So the date of this vlog is the 30th of September 2022. So it's the end of my first week of second year. So I'm just gonna show you what I got up to at uni, and yeah, let's get straight into the video. So of course this vlog is mainly about what I did at uni, but true day in the lifestyle starts from in the morning. So here I am showing you me getting ready. I don't normally do too much when it comes to makeup for uni. It's usually just like filling my brows. Here I'm doing winged liner, but that's usually as far as it goes. Like I'll do winged liner, some lip gloss and like mascara and stuff. So for my hair, I just put my braids into a ponytail. Sometimes I wear them down, but they do get in the way sometimes, so I just put it back today, and then you'll see me putting on my lip gloss, and then that was me ready for the day. So surprisingly I had time to make breakfast this morning because I wasn't starting until 11 a.m. So this is just me making my tea. I love peppermint tea. I usually have the Jamaican one, but I didn't bring it with me, so I just drink Twinings. There was something on my kettle, so I had to wipe it off, but there's just me finishing up the tea. And then I ended up making an egg sandwich for breakfast, so just had that with my tea, and then I was ready. So the very last thing for me to do before I leave is pack my bag. I always pack my bag in the mornings because sometimes I don't carry the same one, so I just pack it before I leave. So I'm just putting my umbrella, my iPad, my laptop, chargers, any like makeup products that I used in case I need to touch up, and then that's it really, and then like my student ID and stuff. I also carried some snacks because today was going to be a very long day, and then I just carried my water bottle outside my bag. So this was my outfit: just a black turtleneck, some black tracksuit bottoms and my Runster hikes, and then obviously my jacket on top because it was cold outside. So then I went to get the train and made it to med school. The clips are a bit short here because I'm still a bit nervous about recording outside, but yeah. So my first lecture was at 11 a.m. and it was just an introduction to the renal module, but it was still pretty useful. I had a 1 hour break after that lecture, so I went to the library to do some work. So this is me taking my stuff out my bag, pulling out the entire Apple ecosystem. So this is the sheet that I was working on. I had an SGT on it in the evening, so I needed to finish it up before then. And then this is just a clip of me doing some work. So my next lecture was at 1 p.m. It was an anatomy lecture. I didn't really take any clips, so I'm just showing you what some of the slides look like. So that lecture ended at around 1:50, and then I went back to the library to do some more work, but I ended up taking a break with one of my friends, and we went to the med cafe just to like chill and chat. Of course I didn't get any videos, but that's okay. But then here's me like doing some more work. I was still working on the sheets because there was actually 2 that I needed to do for the session, but I did actually finish most of it, so it was fine. So this is just a quick look at my timetable. My last session was at 4, and all we did was talk through the worksheets and go through the anatomy, and then I was pretty much done. So I left after that because it was 6 o'clock and it was a Friday, and I was like, I don't want to do any more work. But all the trains got cancelled because I think a line broke due to the weather, so getting home was actually a mission. But I made it home, and then I was so tired that I didn't even really record anything else, so yeah. So yeah guys, that's the end of that vlog. So as I said, when I got home I was so tired that I didn't really do much other than eat and relax a bit. I was gonna go out, but the weather was kind of bad and I was tired, so I just stayed in. I hope you guys enjoyed that. I know it was kind of short, but I'm still like a bit shy when it comes to making clips or like videoing in public, so hopefully in the future they'll get like a bit better. And also not every day is exactly like this one. There'll be like different structures to my day and stuff. Like some days I'll go to the gym, I'll have like society things to do. So yeah, that was my Friday of my first week of second year Ham Medical School. I hope it was useful to anyone who's interested in what like the structure of a day is like in second year. So yeah, any questions and stuff, just leave it in the comments and I'll get back to you. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you back for my next video.